Today, we're going to introduce how to make our scallop and avocado pesto pasta. Start with cooked linguine in a large mixing bowl. Next, add preheated avocado pesto, which we've made by blending spinach, parsley, garlic, parmesan, pine nuts, and fresh avocados from Mexico with lemon juice and seasonings. Gently toss the pasta until the linguine is evenly coated. Begin plating with the pasta in the center of your serving dish. Next, we'll add oven-roasted cherry tomatoes, which have been tossed with olive oil, salt, and pepper and roasted till blistering. Add the seared scallops and sprinkle a generous helping of grated Parmesan cheese across the entire dish. Finally, garnish your pasta with plenty of pine nuts and a fresh sprig of basil. Now you're ready to serve scallop and avocado pesto pasta by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.